Cameleon tutorial, how to build angle jig with ANC90. We'll show you how to build this jig as an example, but your configuration might use different parts and different values. We will assemble it completely and then add it to the bench. For this jig, we will need a tower MZ80, a piston P100, and for the piston head, a Cube 60 and ANC90. Let's bolt the cube onto the piston. And the ANC90 onto the cube, making sure to be on the right side of the cube. Next, we add a height adapter AD05, a socket UV11 and a VB screw stopper. We input an angle of -16.8 in the ANC90. And a height offset of 14 mm. We can now add this jig to the bench, place and adjust the sliding block, place the tower, and slide a pin in the first hole from the top in the tower and a B hole in the piston. Finally, you can use the HM screw and VB screw stopper to bolt the jig in place. And that's how you build an angle jig with ANC90.